In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your header and footer in Wix Studio. Whether you're sprucing up your website or making important updates to your site's navigation, updating your header and footer can ensure that everything remains consistent and in line with your brand's vision. So let's dive right in and get started on making those changes. First things first, you need to access the Wix website editor. Head over to your Wix account and log in. Once logged in, you'll see your website dashboard. From there, simply click on the button that leads you to the Wix editor, where you make your design adjustments. Now that you're in the Wix editor, locate the header at the top of your page. Click on the header to bring up its control panel. Once the control panel appears, click on the Header Scroll Settings. This is your first step in editing your header content. Here you can adjust how your header behaves as you scroll down the website, selecting whether you want it to be fixed or scroll along with the page. With those settings adjusted, it's time to update the content of your header itself. Once you're in the header control panel, you can modify text, update images, or even adjust the background color to suit your brand better. Remember, your header is typically the first thing visitors see, so make sure it's engaging and reflects your site's purpose. After you've finished editing the header, scroll down to your web page's footer. This area is just as important as the header and can contain crucial information like your contact details or a sitemap. Click on the Footer section, and you'll see an option for More Actions in the control panel. This menu gives you additional options for customizing your footer's layout and design. Next, within the More Actions menu, locate and click on Settings. Here, much like with the header, you'll be presented with various options to alter the design and functionality of your footer. Tailor it as needed, updating any text, links, or external components to ensure it remains current and effective. Finally, go through all your footer settings and content, updating any necessary information to keep it aligned with your latest website requirements. This step is essential for maintaining your brand's consistency across all website platforms. That's it! You've successfully updated both the header and the footer in Wix Studio. By following these straightforward steps, you've made sure that your website is not only visually appealing but functional and easy for users to navigate. Revisit these settings whenever you need a refresh or to implement new design elements, ensuring your site remains effective and inviting. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Wix tips and tricks.